Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to contact Indeed Support Center. If you ever run into any trouble, you might want to contact the Indeed customer service. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in this app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, this is the homepage of the Indeed app. In order to contact the Indeed Support Center, you need to go to the Help Center first. So here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. From the menu, look for Help Center option. Tap on this Help Center option. Here, you can choose the category of help you are looking for. If you are a job seeker, you can choose this first option. If you are a job provider, then you can choose the second option. For now, choose the first option for job seeker. Here you can see different categories of help you might need. If you want to contact them for following issues, you can select these options. You can just go through it. Let's say I want to contact for technical support. So I'll choose this option randomly. You'll find all the solutions given over here. If the given solution doesn't help and you still want to contact their customer service, then you can scroll down to the bottom and here you can see Submit a Request option. Tap on it. Now select the Still Have Questions option. And it will prompt you with a message field where you can type your concerns. You can write your message over here and choose what device are you seeing this issue on, if it's desktop, mobile or your tablet. If you have any screenshots of your technical difficulties, you can upload it over here. And once you're done, you can see the Send Email option. Tap on it. So that's how you can contact Indeed Support Center. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.